What up YouTube? In today's video we're gonna be doing the Plenum spacer. I got this on eBay. Yes, I could have got the Z1. I might be getting the Z1 later on in the future, but for right now I just need this car to be running healthy, force land enough. So I wanna do this little cheap upgrade. This was like 50 bucks. No, I am getting the Z1 spacer maybe on Black Friday and installing that maybe later on in the future. But for right now, this was like literally I think 50 bucks. It gives me the hardware and everything. So I'm gonna be painting the Plenum flat black to flow with everything, because it kind of looks fucking weird. Like I have the HKS theme going and I want to really keep the HKS theme going. I even bought a HKS throttle body spacer. It's gonna come literally the end of the month, sadly, since it's coming from Japan. I also bought HKS goodies, so expect that on this video as well. Fucking easy. You see all the bolts around the manifold are taken off. Boom, boom, boom. Literally fucking simple. Only got that bracket to take off, and that's pretty much it. And this thing is ready to be taken off. I'm also gonna be taking off this whole piece with the intake off, and then masking all that shit. But so far I have it off. I decided to take off the intake. It makes it easier to take off the whole fucking manifold and to take off that sensor right there for the throttle body. And just like that, y'all, the Plenum top is off. So now all I gotta do is add the spacer and then put everything back together. But I am gonna be painting this flat black and then putting everything back together. Here's the brand new manifold, basically painted flat black. As you see, it looks fucking way better. Shows all the details, even shows the part number right here. So it is dry, so I'm gonna slap this back on the Z. Also, this shit doesn't come with instructions. Had to look at some photos. This is how you do it. You put the spacers there. I gotta figure out which bolts go. I would assume the longer bolts go here. 1, 2, 1, 2. The longer bolts, and then the 2 skinny bolts going right there in the middle. But it's pretty hard, bro. This is stupid. All right, guys. So the big ones go on top. The smaller ones go right here, and the last one goes right here, but I gotta figure out why that one isn't going in. So give me a minute. Boom, I got it all bolted down. Not tight yet, but all the threads are in. Pretty fucking good. Check it out. Let's go inside. As you just like that, everything is back on. Everything's I triple checked everything. Looks pretty good with the manifold black. Here's the spacer. Black as well. Looks fucking pretty good. All the hoses are on, all the clamps, airbox is on, everything's on. So all I gotta do is really start it and see the difference. Sounds so fucking deep now. It's already been deep, but it sounds extra deep. This is cold start. Look at the RPM gauge. It should be a little bit higher. It's a little bit higher. There's no leaks. Sounds pretty fucking good. Pretty happy that there's no leaks. Expect me doing a throttle body spacer soon. So I'll probably include that in this video once it comes. But overall, I'm so fucking happy. This thing sounds even healthier now. The 2 cylinders have more air now. Thank God, I'm so happy. Just like that, everything's back to fucking together. Look how clean that shit looks, bro. You can't tell me this looks fucking amazing. This clean as and painted flat black Plenum. Look at that. Shit is sexy.